Different vehicles, different brakes. To grease the brakes, first remove the wheels of the corresponding axle. Remove the brake calipers and linings. Determine the dimension of the brake disc. If this is not embossed, as here, measure it. For this 205 series vehicle, brake discs with the dimension 305 by 28 are installed on the front axle. We use the grey Never Sees brake paste for these brakes. Apply with a brush on the surfaces of the lining guides in the brake carrier. Change the linings when necessary. Installation is in the reverse order. For brakes on the front axle with the dimensions 295 by 24 or 330 by 32 of the 213 and 253 series, work in the same way. On the rear axle, this type of brake is also installed in the 213 series and can have the dimensions 300 by 22, 320 by 24, or 360 by 26. For the 320 by 24, you must additionally lubricate the surfaces between the caliper fingers and the backing plate. The installation is then carried out in the reverse order.